set, and we're going to do a concert this evening. The big thing is, of course, we're doing a world premiere of a piece that they commissioned from me. It's called Qalupalik, and it's based on a legend, homegrown legend right here about this sea creature that would sing this haunting song and lure people to the water's icy edge in an attempt to try to get them. Legend has it that sometimes parents would tell this to their kids to try to keep them away from the cold waters. And I just felt like this would be an incredible soundtrack for a piece that these kids would get to experience.
Be ready because we're putting in a lot of work to do this, and I think it's really gonna be something to smile about.
Just a really cool experience because not a lot of people get to meet, you know, music composers and stuff. And like when it's all done, I think it's gonna like sound really good.
And they can see that name on the music, but now they're understanding these are real people that are writing. For a lot of them, this is their piece, right? This is something that will be forever, their names etched on it when people all around the world start to play it in a year. I just love the ability to connect, right? And let them know what's out there. Let them know that the arts are a very real thing. It's not just this pipe dream that you take in specials time. People live this. They do this for a living. They're experiencing these things every day, and through the arts, we make the world a more beautiful place.